Hi, 8th graders. Today we are meeting quickly for 10 minutes at the start of class. If you do not have time to join us today, that is okay. You can watch this video to see what we are going to do. I want to remind you that today you will watch and take notes on intro video 2, example 2, and your turn number 2. And then you can do the Khan Academy practice and complete the task tracker. I also want to remind you that if you have not finished the CFA yet, under classwork, it should show up as missing today, and you need to complete that. Just try your best. I need you to show me what you know. But I mostly want to do an activity about square roots with you today. I want to remind you that these are our perfect square roots. The square root of 1, the square root of 4 going down this way, the square root of 9, the square root of 16, square root of 25, and so on. We are hoping that you know the square roots all the way up to 15, but at least definitely focus on knowing them all the way up to 100 right now, which is the square root of 10. If you aren't sure what they are, you can also do like 6 times 6, and you would know that is the square root of 36 equals 6. So today's activity is I will hold up a card and you will stand up if you think it's a perfect square. If not, you will stay sitting. You can also do this by maybe raising your hand if you think this is a perfect square, or not raising your hand if you are learning at home and don't want to sit up and sit down. Here we have the square root of 7. Is this a perfect square? The answer is no. The square root of 7 falls between the square root of 4 and the square root of 9, and those are perfect squares for 2 and 3, so this is imperfect. The square root of 4. This one is perfect. The square root of 4 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. The square root of 25. This one is perfect. 5 times 5 equals 25, so the square root of 25 equals 5. The square root of 31. This one is imperfect. The square root of 25 is perfect, and the square root of 36 is perfect. So any number between those will be imperfect. So the square root of 26, square root of 27, square root of 28, square root of 29, square root of 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. All those square roots are imperfect because they fall between two perfect squares. Is this one perfect? The answer is no. The square root of 10 is the closest perfect square, and then it's not until the square root of 21, which is 11. So this one is imperfect. And this one, square root of 9, is perfect. 3 times 3 equals 9. So that's just a reminder that we need to be on top of our perfect squares. I also want to make sure you understand long division, since that is what we are learning about right now. If you are struggling with doing long division by hand, we are not using calculators. If you're struggling with it, email me and I can post a video and practice for you to try. Have a great day.